Sige. Dito sumaruno, serious daytoy, serious. Kanta ni Kwa daytoy, sino dito ito kininanatuyan? Nalipat ako. Okay. Ni Kwa, ni Eric Clapton, taglaklakot isida, ito palingkay. Mabigbig yun, Eric Clapton. Serious daytoy, serious. Padasan tayo, kinayaw, simpahin nyo Patilti lang kayo, simpahin nyo. Nagadog buy-buyan Madam Sir, katakatawa kalna ka. Patilti lang ka. Sige, tukar tayo, tukar. Labayli Tukar. Apay, bala kayo mo to, imbagak lang arod kanyayo, kanta kami, apay, tatagari kayo. At kanta ako na. Sige, tukar. Talagang kastad. Salamat. Thank you. Nalpasan. Pero urahin nyo kayo nalpasan. As jela da dyan. Okay, nyo ituloy ko. Kaya nyo, siyempre aramidin tayo mo nga modern nga. Siyempre, dakis na da jay old style modern. Aramidin tayo nga reggae. Alright, reggae style! It's late in the evening. She's wondering what clothes to wear. She puts on her makeup, and brushes her long blonde hair. And then she asks me, do I look alright? And I say, yes, girl, you look wonderful tonight. Nagimasen ako! Nagimasen! We got to a party, and everyone turned to see those lot of beautiful ladies that walking around with me. And then she asked me, do you feel alright? And I say, yes, I feel tonight. At kanta kayo, amen! I feel Bigsahan nyo. And then it just don't realize how much I love you. Palakpakan nyo may tayo guitar. Player name. Gaita ni Aye. It's time to go home. got an aching hand. So I give her the card. She helped me through bed. And then I tell her, I said, turn out the light. Oh, my darling, you look oh, my darling, you look wonderful. Can't you buy? Can't you buy?